Alright, folks, diving into the world of AI security cameras can feel a bit like stepping into a sci-fi movie, right?
But hey, we're here to break it down, make it simple, and ensure you pick the perfect gadget that's got your back, day or night. So, how do you choose the right AI security camera for your space?
Let's get into it.
What's the plan?
Think about what you're guarding.
Is it the cozy little nook of your front porch, or are we talking about a fortress that needs eyes everywhere?
Nail down what you want to monitor, and you're halfway there. Crystal clear or just about okay? We're talking resolution here. If you want to count the whiskers on the neighborhood cat, go high res.
But if it's just about seeing who's at the door, standard might do the trick.
Remember, the sharper the image, the easier it is to spot the details.
Night owl or daytime buddy?
Not all cameras are created equal, especially when the sun dips.
If your camera needs to pull an all-nighter, make sure its night vision is up to snuff.
Because what's the point if it can't see what goes bump in the night? Smart as a whip. This is where AI steps in.
We're not just looking for a camera. We want a mini genius that tells a falling leaf from a sneaky intruder.
Facial recognition, unusual activity alerts, object tracking, the whole 9 yards. Pick a camera that's as smart as you need it to be. Talk to me, camera. Communication is key, right?
Some of these cameras can send alerts straight to your phone, so you're always in the loop. If you're the type who wants to know everything, this feature is your new best friend.
Playing nice with others. If you've got a smart home setup, you'll want a camera that gets along well with your other gadgets. Integration can make your life a whole lot easier, turning your home into a well-oiled machine. Installation. DIY are called the pros. Think about how handy you are.
Some cameras are a breeze to set up, while others might have you scratching your head.
Know your skills and choose accordingly. Budget matters. Last but not least, let's talk dough.
You don't need to break the bank, but remember, investing in a good AI security camera is like investing in peace of mind.
Find that sweet spot between what you need and what you can spend.
So there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding your AI security camera soulmate.
Think it over, pick wisely, and sleep a little sounder knowing your fortress is under watchful eyes.